this is the Nature Station, and this is our first video that we're going to have on YouTube, and we decided to do it of our plants here. As you can see there, we have some cacti, we have some normal plants, like there's like a jade, there's some other ones like an African violet, some...
Okay,
yeah, other
so
stuff.
this is our first plant, and it is an aloe vera. Any interesting facts, Malcolm? I'll take that as a no.
Well, it can be used as sunscreen. Well, after you get burnt, then you can use it as sunscreen.
So then up here we have these three spiky green ones that we've been researching them, and we still have no idea what they are.
Well, this I forgot what it is already.
So we don't know what they are. They're just random cacti-like plants.
They're I can't remember anything.
So then here we have our Christmas cactus.
Where?
Right there, Malcolm.
Oh yeah, the almost dead one. Yay.
Well, something cool is that my brother got it for Christmas. So we got it at Christmas time, and it's a Christmas cactus. Okay, Malcolm, tell them about the round-shaped one.
Which one? The barrel cactus? The golden barrel?
Yeah.
Well, the golden barrel cactus is almost dead also. We were gone for a while.
Are all our plants almost dead, Malcolm?
No, not most of the cacti. Except, like, two of them. I think two of them are dead.
So, what do you know about the golden barrel?
What? Which is cool is that, like, if you look at the spines on it really closely, you won't be able to see it on the camera. But maybe you can. No, not really. But each of these spines has like a zip tie kind of like pattern on it. It's really cool. I tried using one as a zip tie once.
It didn't go so well?
Yeah, don't use them for zip ties. They kind of have a tendency to go underneath your nail. So, yeah, don't do that.
And then over here we have our brain cactus.
Yeah, that one's... The other one that's dying, that one used to be a little bit bigger. It was kind of puffy. And it's like... It's really soft. Well, not really. It's really pokey. It's like a pokey soft. But it's cute.
And then up here we have the unidentified fluffy cactus.
No, it's the old man cactus, something like that. But this is really soft. It's like
I thought you said you didn't know what it was.
No, that's the old man cactus. I told you I knew that was. I was talking about the one behind it. No, wait, that's a fairy castle cactus. Yeah, that one's a fairy castle cactus. Try saying that 5 times fast. Fairy castle cactus, fairy castle cactus. I can't do it.
And down here we have that little green pokey weird thing.
Yeah, that is found in South Africa. It's doing actually very well.
So it's not one of the ones that are dying.
Well, if it was doing very well, it won't be dead. So.
Okay, yeah. And then over here we have the...
that is silver torch cactus.
And then down here we have a type of...
Oops.
It's something horrida.
In the back, I think it's on its thing. Is it on there? Oh, no, it's not on there, but it's like, it's Euphorbia horrida.
Yeah, that was it. And then here we have just a plain old lettuce plant that I got from a pioneer camp.
Yeah, this is a Eve's cactus that's kind of pokey, actually.
It's also kind of soft if you touch it the right way.
Oh, yeah, it is. Okay.
And then here we were trying to transplant a jade plant.
It's still alive for some reason, but it doesn't have roots. It's still
Yeah.
It's still alive, but has no roots.
So eventually it might turn into one like one we're going to show you soon. And then down here, are those sedums, Malcolm?
Yes. Those are some type of succulent.
And then here we have a type of flower.
Let me see what it says. It's something that was worth $2.69. That's all I know.
Okay. And then in here we made a little like tiny cactus garden, and we have down there we have living stones.
Lithop species. These two, this did have some on the side, but
this one shriveled up and died.
Yeah, that one shriveled up. This is a pincushion cactus which flowered about a month ago. These are some type of mammillaria species.
Okay. Now, if you're ever thinking of turning some of your plants into a tiny garden like this, I suggest that you don't put as many as we did in.
Well, you can. It's just not with cacti, because with cacti it's not really good since they kind of like
poke each other.
Yeah, they're so close together. Like, imagine if you were covered with spikes and you're right next to another person that's covered with spikes and you're like right next to each other and you're like pushing into each other. That'd be like, yeah.
It would hurt a bit.
It would hurt.
And then right here is our adult jade. It's not as big as one that we have somewhere else in the house, but it's a fairly good sized one compared to this little guy over here.
Yeah.
And then we have our African violet, which I got for Christmas.
Yeah, this one is kind of drooping a little bit.
Yeah, we should probably water it soon.
Yeah, I thought you watered it today.
I watered it yesterday.
Oh, that was yesterday? Okay.
Okay,
Which
and
one's
then
this?
I still don't know this one's name. It never came with a tag, only a price tag. But it does have a cool pot.
Our cat likes to eat it, though, so...
Yeah, our cat loves to eat it. We have to keep it behind all these cactus. And then down here, we tried to do a transplant on our brain cactus and hope to have a new one after that one dies.
Yeah, that one has roots, so that's good.
It might survive.
Yeah.
And then up here,
that
we
is,
have this fine plant.
Euphorbia. It's either a river euphorbia, valley euphorbia, or some other type of euphorbia that was found in South Africa.
So you got this one in South Africa, or it's just found there?
Oh, it's found in South Africa, but yeah.
Okay. So that's basically all the plants we have around here. Any last comments, Malcolm?
Well, please like and subscribe. It helps out the channel. Share with your friends if you're like, yeah, I think they could use this video or for something. I'm not sure what you would use it for, but yeah, use it for something.